What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Smee45. We are back with another big time video for you guys. This one has been on the top of everybody's list here with sound from the Goxlr for the PS5 because they have removed the optical cord out of the back of the PS5, so that takes the sound away. But your boy here has found a way of doing it without an adapter, without spending any extra money, without the optical cord. What you got to do is go into your settings on the PS5, as you see here. You're going to go down to sounds. You're going to go into the audio output. You're going to set it for HDMI, TV, and then you're going to turn this off because if you have this on, it will flip back and forth and will mess things up. And then you're going to go into the HDMI device type. It's going to be TV. It's how I have it, exactly how I have it set. It's got to be this way. And then what you'll do is you'll go into OBS. So we'll turn that off and go into OBS. So you see you have your Elgato here. Mine is the internal one, so I don't know how it will be externally, but this is internal. So you're going to right click on that. You're going to go to properties. And then as you see, it's on capture only. This is what Goxlr tells you to have it on. When you do it, normally with the optical, and it works perfectly fine. But this is what I found out. If you click this and you scroll down to this output desktop audio wave out, you now have sound. You have sound for you, your stream. And the only thing that changes is that now it's not the sound to the game is not on its own slider. It goes to your system slider. So then it shares a sound. I have not figured out how to kick it over yet to its own personal slider, but I am working on it. So that video, if I do figure it out, I will put that up too. But this gives you sound without the adapter, without the optical cord. Your stream can hear it, you can hear it. You get your full depth of your headphone sound because it's pushing through your Goxlr. Like I said, this is how I figured it out. I hope it helps you guys. Been trying to do more with this and figure more out with it. But the one thing I will tell you is make sure you check your videos before you record anything, because sometimes switching between the two will take the sound away for some odd reason. I have not figured that part out yet, but we'll take the sound out of your mic and then you will have to re-record. But always make sure when you're in here, I'm sure you guys can see this, make sure you go to your audio and make sure this stays on stereo. If this goes on anything else, it seems to take all the audio out of it too. But I hope this helps you guys. Like, if there's any more questions, please leave them in the comments below. I am constantly working on this stuff to help you guys out because I know how stressful it gets. And then you just bought a $400, $500 console. You don't want to put any more money out. This is the fix that I found. I hope that it takes you guys to the promised land and helps all you guys out. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can personally come to my Twitch channel when I'm live at twitch.tv/Smee45, and I can try to help you there. I am always down to help out. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Peace.